If you're an educator or course creator, you already know that video is essential. Students learn better with visuals. Courses with video sell better. The demand is clear. The problem? Creating all that video content is overwhelming. Recording yourself on camera feels uncomfortable. Editing takes forever. And re-recording when something changes? That's a nightmare. I used to struggle with this exact issue. I had knowledge to share but dreaded the recording process. Then I discovered AI video tools, and everything changed. Now I create course videos without ever being on camera. The AI handles the visuals and voiceover while I focus on teaching. Here's what this means for educators. Lecture content? Turn your notes into engaging video lessons in under an hour. Demonstrations? Generate visual examples without needing physical setups or screen recordings. Module introductions? Create professional welcome videos that set the right tone. Supplemental content? Produce bonus materials quickly without disrupting your schedule. The best part? Students don't know the difference. They see professional, helpful content that teaches them what they came to learn. This isn't about cutting corners. It's about removing barriers so your expertise can reach more people. You focus on the curriculum. AI handles the production. Whether you're building your first course or your 10th, this system simplifies the process dramatically. I've created a free toolkit with the 5 tools I use and a complete setup guide. Link is in the description. If this speaks to you, subscribe to the channel and hit like if you found this valuable. Your knowledge deserves to be shared. Let's make it happen.